Good morning to all of my students. Okay, this is the class of, my name is Dibyendu Mondal. Today we discuss about power plant engineering. Okay, power plant engineering, this is the power plant engineering, very important subject, power plant engineering. Power plant engineering. Power plant engineering. Okay, this is the 7th semester subject. The subject code is ME 701. At first, why we study the power plant engineering? What is the objective? Course objective. Very important thing. Course objective. Course objective. Course objective. Electrical power is the most important input for development and progress of any country. Electrical power, very important. Electrical power. Without electricity, nothing is possible. Electrical power is the most important input for development and progress of any country. Government of India has been endeavoring to increase installed power generating capacity continuously to maintain an annual growth rate of 9%. What is the objective? Objective to introduce the student, the various component of power plant, various components of power plant, various components of power plant. Okay, very important. Various component of power plant and the related thermal and economical tools for effective engineering analysis of such plants. By the end of the course, the student will be able to list. First one, list of subsystem. List of subsystem of a plant. List of subsystem of a plant. Second one, sketch typical system of a power plant. Second one, sketch typical system. Typical system of a power plant. Fourth one, very important, analyze, select the type of plant. Analyze and select the type of plant. Analyze, very important, analyze and select the type of plant. Select the type of plant. Okay. What are the books? Textbook. Very important, textbook. Power plant engineering by P.K. Nag. Power plant engineering by P.K. Nag. Power plant engineering by P.K. Nag. P.K. Nag. And the reference book, lots of reference books are there. Another one is Engineering Thermodynamics by P.K. Nag. And student, please follow the NPTEL link for betterment of your knowledge, to extend your boundary of knowledge. Okay, the NPTEL links, several NPTEL links are there. Okay, achha. Now go to the syllabus. This is the first class, introductory class. Electricity is the only form of energy which is easy to produce, easy to transport, easy to use. So electricity, easy to use, easy to transport, okay, easy to transport, easy to use, easy to control. Easy to control. Okay. Now it is mostly the terminal form of energy for transmission and distribution. Okay, transmission and distribution. Achha. Our first topic, we discuss about Rankine cycle. Okay, very important thing, we discuss about Rankine cycle. First one, any steam power plant. Okay, any steam power plant continuously convert the energy stored in the steam power plant fossil fuel, coal, oil, natural gas or fossil fuels into shaft work and ultimately into electricity. This is our final object. First one, summation of Q net cycle. For cycle we know cycle and process. Cycle means final state is identical with the initial state. Final state is identical with initial. Okay, final state is identical with initial. Okay, summation of Q net, very important. Summation of Q cycle net equal to summation of W net cycle. In case of cycle, summation of Q equal to summation of W. Now, any power plant, how you calculate the efficiency? Very important thing, efficiency of any cycle. Efficiency represented by eta, that is equal to output by input. Output by input. So efficiency, that is equal to output by input. Output is equal to W net. W net. Input is equal to Q1. Okay. So W net, any cycle, W net is equal to Wt minus Wp or Q1 minus Q2. Very important, Q1 minus Q2 divided by Q1. Actually, suppose this is the high temperature reservoir, high thermal energy reservoir. Q1 heat is transferred. This is the Q2. This is the low thermal energy reservoir, low T, low thermal temperature, and this is the W net, that is equal to Q1 minus Q2. So that is equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1. Very unique formula, applicable for all the cycle. 1 minus Q2 by Q1. Okay. Now Rankine cycle. Rankine cycle. তাহলে Rankine cycle. Rankine cycle, for each process in the vapor power cycle, it is possible to assume a hypothetical or ideal process which represent the basic intended operation and does not produce any extraneous effect like heat loss. First one, we should draw a very simple ordinary type, a simple steam power plant representing a Rankine cycle. Okay, তাহলে first one, this is the boiler to turbine to condenser, condenser to pump to again boiler. Cyclic process. Okay, first one হচ্ছে boiler to turbine to condenser to pump. Okay, cyclic process is there. And if we represent তাহলে boiler to condenser to pump. Okay, now suppose this is the 1, this is the 2, 3, 4. তাহলে what is the function of the boiler? To produce steam. The function of the boiler to produce steam. And what is the function? Turbine, that is the produce electricity. Condenser means to condense the water. Is it boiler to turbine? Boiler, superheated vapor is produced by the boiler. Then boiler, this superheated vapor goes to turbine, and after working, low temperature steam goes to condenser, and condenser condenses, so temperature reduced, and then go to pump, then pump to boiler. In this process, this is the a simple power plant, a simple power plant. Okay, a simple power plant is there. This one is the simple power plant. Okay, like this. Okay, now if we go to the equation, actually steady flow energy equation, SFEE for boiler, we may write down H4 entry, Q1 entry, exit H2, H1. H4 plus Q1 equal to H1. Therefore, Q1 equal to H1 minus H4. Okay. Now, for turbine, H1 is the input, Wt output plus H2, Wt plus H2. Now Wt equal to H1 minus H2. Very good. For condenser H2 equal to Q2 plus H3. Why? H3 out exit as well as some heat is rejected. Q3 plus H3. Q2 তাহলে এটা কি, that is the, if suppose this is the Q2 তাহলে Q2 plus H3. Okay, তাহলে Q2 equal to H2 minus H3. Okay, then pump H3 plus Wp. Pump H3 plus Wp equal to H4. তাহলে H3 plus Wp equal to H4. তাহলে therefore Wp equal to H4 minus H3. Wp equal to H4 minus H3. Okay, no problem. তাহলে Wp equal to H4 minus H3. Now, how to calculate the efficiency of Rankine cycle? This is very vital. Efficiency eta equal to W net by Q1. W net by Q1. Efficiency eta is equal to W net by Q1. W net that is equal to turbine work done minus pump work done. তাহলে Wt minus Wp divided by Q1. Wt minus Wp by Q1. তাহলে Wt turbine work done H1 minus H2 according to the equation, previous equation, H1 minus H2 minus H4 minus H3 divided by H1 minus H4. Okay, H1 minus H4. So this is the formula, H1 minus H2 minus H4 minus H3 divided by H1 minus H4. This is the formula. Now eta equal to efficiency. The pump handles liquid water which is incompressible, that is its density and specific volume undergoes a little change with an increase in pressure. We know the formula, TDS equal to dH minus VdP. TDS equal to dH minus VdP. ওকে, তাহলে সিন্স ds is equal to 0, why ds is equal to 0? This is the isentropic process. Entropy will be constant, so change in entropy ds will be 0. Okay, now integrate the equation come dA is equal to vdp. Okay, dA is equal to vdp. Okay, vdp. If you integrate, why 3 to 4? Because in between 3 to 4 there is a location of pump. So integration dH 3 to 4 is equal to integration vdp 3 to 4. Okay, now write down h4 minus h3 equal to v3 p4 minus p3. p4 minus p3. Okay, p4 minus p3. তাহলে h4 minus h3 equal to v3 p4 minus p3. Okay, now তাহলে the pump work is usually small compared to the turbine work and is often neglected. So the formula cycle efficiency is sometimes expressed alternatively as heat rate, which is the rate of heat input required to produce unit shaft output, and heat rate equal to Q1 divided by WT minus WP. Okay, WT minus WP. Heat rate, अच्छा, that is equal to 1 by eta. Very important thing, 1 by eta. Okay, that is equal to 1 by eta. Okay, student, if you face any problem, please ask me. Okay, what is the, this is the expression, what is the PV diagram and TS diagram? Okay, PV diagram and TS diagram of a Rankine cycle. Okay, PV diagram, so this is the PV diagram. Draw the saturation line and PV diagram. And this is the diagram. This is one critical point, pressure versus volume. Okay, so this is the one, this is the 1 point, this is the 2s, 3, 4s. Okay, and then 5, 6, 5, 6. Okay, so this is the P1 pressure and this is the P2 pressure. TS plot, one is temperature, another one is entropy. This is the TS. First one, you draw the saturation line, then superheated, saturated, this one. Very important, critical point, same manner, critical point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is the PV diagram and TS diagram of the Rankine cycle. Okay, PV diagram and TS diagram of the Rankine cycle. Okay, then another one thing, if you draw the HS diagram, HS enthalpy versus entropy. First one, you draw the saturation line, critical point, তাহলে 1, this is the 1, 2s, 3, 4s, 5, 6, 1. Okay, cyclic process. This is the TS plot of Rankine cycle. Rankine cycle. Okay, so the Rankine cycle portion up to Rankine cycle I complete. Okay, next day another one new topic will be delivered by myself. Okay.